Asking for help.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Could you lend me a hand?
Sure, I can.
Do you mind assisting me?
I don't mind at all.
Would you be able to help?
Yes, I'm able to help.
Is it okay if I ask for your help?
Yes, it's okay. Offering help.
Do you need any help?
No, I am okay, thanks.
Can I assist you with that?
Yes, please.
How can I help you?
I want to know the full details.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, please pass this salt.
Would you like some help?
Yes, I would.
Can you tell me where the nearest bus stop is?
It's to your left. Asking for directions.
How do I get to the mall?
Go straight, then turn right.
Could you point me in the right direction?
Sure, where are you going?
Is this way to the train station?
Yes, it is.
Could you guide me to the post office?
Go to blocks, then turn right. Making request.
Could you please pass the salt?
Sure, here you go.
Would you mind closing the window?
No problem, I'll close it.
Can you bring me a glass of water?
Yes, I'll get it for you.
May I borrow your pen?
Of course, here is it.
Could you do me a favor?
Yes, what do you need? Small talk.
What's new with you?
Not much, just the usual.
Have you been busy lately?
Yes, I have been busy.
How was your weekend?
It was good, thanks.
Did you do anything fun recently?
Yes, I went to the beach.
How's the weather where you are?
It's nice here. How about you? Expressing gratitude?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Thanks a lot for your help.
Happy to help.
I'm so grateful.
Glad I could help.
I can't thank you enough.
It's my pleasure. Apologizing.
I'm sorry for that.
It's okay, don't worry.
Please accept my apologies.
No worries, it's fine.
I didn't mean to upset you.
I understand, it's okay.
I apologize for the mistakes.
It's alright, mistakes happen.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay, no problem. Greetings.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's life treating you?
Life's good, thanks.
What's up?
Not much, you?
How's your day going?
It's going well.
How things have been?
Things are good. Giving opinions. In my opinion, that's a great idea. I agree, it is.
I believe this is the best option.
Yes, it seems good.
I think we should try something different.
That sounds interesting.
My view is that we need more time.
I think so too.
To me, that sounds perfect.
I feel the same way.
How about going to the park?
That sounds fun.
Why don't we try this new restaurant?
That's great idea.
Wouldn't it be better to wait?
Yes, it might be.
I suggest we start early.
That's good plan.
What if we take a break?
Yes, let's do that. Asking for permission.
Is it okay if I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
May I leave the room?
Yes, you may.
Could I use your phone for a moment?
Yes, here it is.
Do you mind if I ask a question?
No, go ahead.
Would it be all right if I open the window?
Yes, that's fine. Offering something.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
Can I get you anything?
Just some water, thanks.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I would.
How about a piece of cake?
That sounds good.
Is there anything you need?
No, I am good, thank you.
Will we meet tomorrow?
Yes, let's do that.
How about we go out for lunch?
Sure, sounds great.
What time should we start?
How about 10 a.m.?
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cafe.
Let's plan for the weekend.
Yes, that's a good idea.
We will make good video.
Please watch my video.